2012 CT200H. The Lexus CT200 Hybrid pairs exceptional fuel efficiency and superior handling ability with aggressive styling to create a luxury hybrid vehicle that looks great and handles even better. Going green never felt and looked so good. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, stability control, Bluetooth, keyless entry, cruise control, anti-theft security system, MP3 player, passenger airbag, fog lamps, power windows, trip computer, remote power door locks, cargo area light, daytime running lights, center console, cargo mat, cargo net, tachometer, front reading lamps, wheel locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.